Show truck right here, George Conrad 66 F100. You can see underneath that baby, he was not playing. Hell of a display too. You guys know how hard it is to perfect the black paint job. Bet you got every bit of 30 grand on that paint. It's a different color for sure. Mocha?
That's what I call it.
Yep. It's pretty cool for sure. Look at that chassis. Oh, that's what you call a frame off. Got your Whipple up in there with a Coyote. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Guys gotta check this caddy out over here. This thing is freaking beautiful. Look at that. A Barrett's. Pink on pink. That's player shit right there, for real. Bro, that paint color is insane. It's like a salmon color. Y'all see underneath. Look at that. That's like Concord d'Elegance. You got the right battery in there, everything. It's perfect. Perfect. That's crazy. I see it. Thing look like brand new. Original spare tire in the back. See the document on the trunk. It's like it just rolled off the dealership floor. That's crazy, bro. I like that color, bro. Actually hit different in person. And the chrome details. The original 61 plate down there. Yeah, that's crazy for sure. Hell of a machine. Y'all see? GT500. Some custom barrel wheels on there to look like the originals. Coyote motor in there. Look at the detail, bro. This is what you call a show car. No corner cut. No corner cut. Y'all can see they put a lot of work into this. A lot of work. Probably a $500,000 car, I bet you. If not more. Some of these builds get crazy for sure. Especially when they start doing stuff like that. They cut no corner. Got an original GT500 over here. Conrad's cars. I heard he got some pretty crazy ones in this collection, but I see now. This thing is freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the attention to detail they put into these cars. Even down correct to the battery. Correct hood pads. Correct horn placement. See, you got the build sheet right here with the original VIN tag. Y'all see it. We got a Mach 1 over here. Another restoration. Perfect condition. Some of these cars is like unbelievable. Got you a 440 wedge over here. Or is that 426? Oh yeah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Never gonna see another one of those for sure. Something different. You know, I gotta bring y'all the Mopar content. You're not gonna see these.
And how about
with the dual
the
card?
1964?
You see it right here. You see it. Got the right correct stickers and everything on there. Paint is more shiny than the original, but it's whatever. Still a nice build, definitely. Man, if I had to choose, probably this one. I don't know. I like the white one for real. That's more my style. But you can't. It is. Yep. You know you can't go wrong with the 4-speed. You know it. Y'all see it. Definitely. They do hell of a good job. Y'all can see the work they do. This is the Race Hippie factory spec.
There's only 3 of these.
Yeah, that's what I heard, for sure. Bet you this thing is probably worth $500,000.
More than I'll make this year.
Right? Y'all see it. It's the original drag cars right here. You're not gonna see another one of these. I guarantee you not. That's crazy. I'm just proud to see it in person. Look at that. He still got the correct markings on the rear end and everything, bro. The correct gas tank. I don't even know how you find some of the parts for these cars. It don't make sense to me. The correct stickering for the trunk. It's crazy, man. Some of this stuff is like impossible to find. And they got it like in new old stock somehow. Some old guy probably hoarding parts. Got a Pontiac over here, a 68 400 Catalina, 41 Chevy. Got this 73 Trans Am over here with the window sticker still on it. That's what I mean. Like, some of these cars is like so mint, bro. It don't even make sense. I guess if you don't ever drive them, then yeah, you can keep it mint like this. That's literally why I don't drive my cars. For this exact reason. Keep them in best shape as possible. Yeah, this is a nice one right here. That's a nice one, buddy. And it's a 4-speed too. So y'all can see. Got this bagged Volkswagen over here. Care about that kind of shit. Let's see, you got this Chevelle over here. 72 454. Got a nice Nova over there. How you doing, brother? Yes, sir. Got that Nova over there. Monster Motors drag car. Another Caddy over here. 59. Let's see. Frank Tomasello. Got a nice Jeep over here. Those are some big rims, buddy. Like some 30s or something. That's nice. I'll do it without the rims, but I like the Jeep, yo. That's pretty cool right here. Another caddy. I like these trucks, yo. They definitely got some nice trucks over here. Those brushed gold rims, though. We need to get some of those. That's what I'm gonna do next. A TRX on some of these. What y'all think? What size even is those? 26s. 26 by what? 16s. What's these 26 by 16s? Oh yeah, them sit perfect. That's what we need, y'all, on the brush. I like that. I ain't seen nobody in the city with the gold ones yet. That look real clean. Classy. Keep it on the classy side. I like those though. Or y'all like the chrome. That gold hit though, for real. Or these ones, specialty forge. I like those though. The Forgiatos look a little bit better, but those, I'll rock those too. He not playing with this truck, buddy. He not playing. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna build a truck this year for sure. TRX. I'm not gonna play with none of them. Y'all know when I come, I'm applying pressure at all times. Definitely should have brought my cars up. If I'd have known, shit, we could have brought ours out. Clearly worthy, for sure. Because I see a bunch of cars that I'll be going to shows with, and I could have brought a bunch of them out, but it's cool. Next year, now we know. That's a hell of a cool display, y'all. King of the Road, GT 500. Badass. It's really like some crazy cars up here, for real. I like the displays they got set up. These people like put a lot of thought into their displays, for sure. Galaxy 500. Let's see, y'all see it, 71. Another 57 Bel Air. That's like the top favorite car up here, I feel like, the 57 Bel Air. There's a lot of Mopar shit too, though, for real. Mopar, Chevy, or Ford. Mainly what you gonna see. I like this though. He got it set up with the old drive-through style on there. 59 Continental. Got a nice little Fox body over here for sale. Y'all see it. If anybody interested, for sale. Oh, it's got a Pro Charger on it too. Y'all see, an old school Pro Charger too. Some 90s build, I bet you. Eleanor over here. Galaxy 500. Y'all see. Ooh, buddy, look at this. 59 Impala right there. That's one on the bucket list for sure. Can't go wrong with no 59. That's a fine car right there. For sure. Oh, there you are. I was just about to call you.
We were trying to catch up with you for like 10 minutes. Look at that Jeep.
I know. That's pretty crazy. That's hella crazy right there, y'all. Like everything redone. It's pretty cool for sure. I like their display. It's cool. SS. Laguna. we got over here? We got an Eldorado right here. Is this a Barrett's? Yeah, Barrett's. Got this hearse right here. Cutlass. Got a 60 Impala right here. That's one of Dad's favorite cars, bro. That's one of my favorite cars of all time. A 1960 Impala. Got a 72 Cutlass. Got 80 something Corvette over there. Another Cutlass. Pay attention, don't touch the car.
It's a good store, but it's
That's clean right there. My granddad had one of those back in the day. That's clean. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Check this guys out. This is pretty sick and cool right here, man. The 26 and 27 model. Pretty cool. Definitely something you're not about to see again. 1952 Harley. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. You guys see it. It's pretty cool. Miami power motorcycle. 46 EL, a 53 FL, 68 FL. Nice bikes. I like how original they kept them. Oh yeah, I see. Definitely a little bit of everything. Kawasaki section. Got some of these. Something like that. Lowrider bike. Sorry. Stuff like that. Some cool little custom stuff. That's pretty sick right there. Pretty sick. Y'all see that gasser over there? Big turbo trucks. Whoa, look at this bagger right there, dude. That thing is fucking bad. That is a bad bike right there. Good Lord. Brother. Oh my God. That sucker is bad fucking ass. Y'all see that fucking ass. See, you got that 26 in the front. Some fucking heavy hitters right there. Bro not playing with that. Man, he not playing with that bike. That's serious skill right there. Y'all see him. Baggers. I like that one too. That bit bad. See that big rim on the front. That bit's bad for real. Y'all see Harleys. I see. Look at this one though, y'all. That's sick. Scooby-Doo Hayabusa.